Think cauliflower is just a bland side dish? Think again. This humble veggie is a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. And in this video, we're uncovering the amazing health benefits of cauliflower you may have completely overlooked. From boosting brain function to fighting inflammation and supporting weight loss, cauliflower is one of the most versatile, low-carb superfoods you can add to your diet right now. And it's not just for keto lovers. It's a game changer for gut health, heart health, and even cancer prevention. Whether you're looking to clean up your diet, boost your immune system, or just eat smarter, cauliflower deserves a spot at your table. Learn how to unlock its full potential and transform your health with this underrated cruciferous hero. Okay, watch now to discover why cauliflower is more than just a side. It's a superfood you can't afford to ignore. Cauliflower often sits quietly in the produce aisle, perhaps overshadowed by its more colorful counterparts. Yet this humble vegetable is a true nutritional powerhouse, brimming with benefits that many people overlook. It's far more than just a bland side dish. This versatile, cruciferous vegetable is a smart and incredibly beneficial addition to any diet. Incorporating cauliflower into your meals offers a wealth of advantages for your overall health and well-being. It's time to give this remarkable vegetable the attention it deserves. Cauliflower boasts an impressive array of essential nutrients, making it a standout choice for health-conscious individuals. Its rich profile contributes significantly to various bodily functions and protective mechanisms. Understanding these components reveals why cauliflower is so valuable. Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant crucial for maintaining good health. This vitamin plays a vital role in boosting your immune system, helping your body defend against illnesses. It also actively protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Beyond vitamin C, cauliflower provides a good amount of vitamin K. This nutrient is absolutely crucial for proper blood clotting, ensuring your body can heal effectively from injuries. Furthermore, vitamin K is important for maintaining strong and healthy bones throughout your life. You'll also find that cauliflower is a good source of folate, a B vitamin essential for cell growth and development. This makes it particularly important for pregnant women, as folate supports healthy fetal development. It contributes to overall cellular health for everyone. One of cauliflower's most significant benefits is its high fiber content. Fiber is fundamental for digestive health, aiding in the smooth functioning of your gut. It promotes regularity and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. This abundant fiber also plays a crucial role in promoting gut health by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to numerous aspects of well-being, from immunity to mood. Cauliflower helps foster this internal balance. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing sharp spikes and crashes after meals. This steady release of glucose is beneficial for sustained energy and can be particularly helpful for managing conditions like diabetes. It contributes to metabolic stability. Furthermore, the fiber in cauliflower contributes significantly to weight management. It promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can naturally reduce overall calorie intake. This makes it an excellent food choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. The soluble fiber found in cauliflower also helps lower cholesterol levels. By binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract, it prevents its absorption into the bloodstream. This mechanism actively contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system. Ultimately, the combined effects of fiber on cholesterol and blood sugar regulation help reduce the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods like cauliflower supports long-term heart health. It's a simple yet powerful dietary choice. Cauliflower contains beneficial compounds known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These include glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, which are unique to cruciferous vegetables. These compounds are key to its health-promoting effects. These compounds are strongly linked to reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to various serious diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Cauliflower actively works to combat this underlying issue. By helping to quell chronic inflammation, cauliflower potentially reduces the risk of developing these debilitating conditions. Incorporating it into your diet can be a proactive step towards preventing long-term health problems. It supports your body's natural defenses. The anti-inflammatory action of cauliflower can also alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions. This makes it a valuable food for anyone experiencing discomfort or pain related to inflammation. It offers a natural way to support your body. Regular consumption of cauliflower contributes to a balanced inflammatory response within the body. This balance is crucial for overall cellular health and preventing the cascaded issues that chronic inflammation can trigger. It's a foundational health food. Perhaps one of the most compelling benefits of cauliflower is its potential role in cancer prevention. The glucosinolates present in cauliflower break down into powerful compounds during digestion. These compounds are known for their anti-cancer properties. These active compounds, such as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol, have been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth. They can also promote the programmed death of cancer cells, a process known as apoptosis. This is a significant protective mechanism. Research has associated regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables, like cauliflower, with a lower risk of certain cancers. This includes common types such as colon cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. It offers a natural defense strategy. The detoxification enzymes activated by these compounds help the body eliminate carcinogens more effectively. This cleansing action reduces the burden of harmful substances that can lead to cellular damage and tumor formation. It supports cellular integrity. Cauliflower's ability to modulate cellular pathways involved in cancer development makes it a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. It's not a cure, but it's a powerful tool in your dietary arsenal. Embrace its protective qualities. Its antioxidant properties also play a role in preventing DNA damage, which is a precursor to cancer. By neutralizing free radicals, cauliflower helps maintain the integrity of your genetic material. This is fundamental for long-term health. The combined action of its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer compounds makes cauliflower a formidable ally in the fight against disease. It's a testament to the power of whole foods in supporting our health. Make it a regular part of your meals. Beyond its impressive health benefits, cauliflower is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its mild flavor and adaptable texture make it easy to incorporate into a wide variety of dishes. You can enjoy its benefits without sacrificing taste or culinary creativity. Cauliflower can be prepared in numerous ways to suit any preference or meal. It can be roasted to bring out a nutty sweetness, steamed for a tender side, or mashed into a creamy, low-carb alternative to potatoes. The possibilities are truly endless. It excels as a low-carb substitute for many common ingredients. Cauliflower rice is a popular alternative to traditional rice, perfect for stir-fries or grain bowls. It significantly reduces carbohydrate intake while adding nutrients. You can also use cauliflower to create delicious and healthy pizza crusts. This allows you to enjoy your favorite comfort foods with a nutritious twist. It's an excellent way to sneak in more vegetables. Its mild flavor means it readily absorbs the flavors of other ingredients and seasonings. This makes it a fantastic base for diverse culinary creations, from curries to casseroles. Cauliflower truly adapts to any cuisine. Whether you're looking to reduce carbs, increase fiber, or simply add more vegetables to your diet, cauliflower fits the bill. Its adaptability makes healthy eating both easy and enjoyable. Experiment with it in your kitchen. Cauliflower is clearly more than just a bland white vegetable. It is a valuable addition to any healthy diet, offering a remarkable array of benefits that extend far beyond basic nutrition. It's a true superfood in disguise. By embracing cauliflower, you unlock a wealth of health benefits, from boosting your immune system and supporting digestion to fighting inflammation and potentially preventing cancer. It's a simple choice with profound impacts. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember the humble cauliflower. It's a powerful ally in your journey towards optimal health and well-being. Make it a staple in your kitchen and enjoy its many advantages. Comment with your favorite cauliflower recipe, and subscribe for weekly videos on nutrition, wellness, and simple ways to live your healthiest life. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.